Sponsor me, Home Depot.
Everyday flexes.
Damn. Sup, family? It's me. Remember me? Your boy Nate? AKA Tabasco Sweet? The guy who sits in front of the white piece of paper with a plastic table, chefing up the most fueguissimo grails in the galaxy? Now, I know you guys were mad stressing, but have no fear. The prodigal son has returned. I'm taking matters into my own hands and making my own channel. So come on in. As you can tell, it's pretty minimal right now. I mean, we're just getting off the ground, but with your help, we'll link and we'll build and we'll conquer, family. I missed you guys. Can, like, all the Cheap Thrills fam just pull up for a second and let me know what you've been up to in the comments? Smash that like, hit that MF subscribe, make sure you turn your notifications on, cause your boy's back, family. Now that that's out of the way, a lot's gone down since the last time I seen you, family. I moved out of my mom's house. Now I've got this brand new, very clean channel. I can do whatever the f I want, Bam Margera style. Shout out Bam. So to kick things off, I'm setting myself on a haul challenge. I'm gonna have a budget of $100 and I have to get at least 2 fire fits out of it. And guess where we're going? Home Depot. Now I know some of you are looking at me like, really Basco? You're trying to get threaded at a Home Depot? I mean, little do you guys know, Home Depot is one of the littest places to cop some high utility gear. All the heavy hitters in the fashion game have been biting construction workers' looks since the beginning. Virgil Abloh, Louis Vuitton, Ventmonts, those are just a few examples. Now I know it's only the beginning of 2019, but this year, I think we're gonna see a lot more of this construction-inspired fashion. So what do you say? Let's get it? Now I picked a pretty day to get back on my bullshit. I mean, it's raining in LA right now, but regardless, I'm here at the Home Depot in Cypress Park, and I'm ready to show you how to get some fueguissimo fits. I'm talking some working class flexes, family. Now a lot's changed since I've been gone, family. For example, I wear beige now. I mean, just look at these earth tones on your boy. I look beautiful right now. All right, you're getting this right, camera guy? We're gonna have to be really agile, so you gotta keep up. All right, family, in 2019, you're gonna be seeing jumpsuits everywhere. And at Home Depot, they only cost 10 bucks. All right, now that we've got our base layer for our fit, it's time to accessorize. Oh, sick. Check this out. Mask on, family. No face, no case. Peep this game right here. Double XL or nothing. Now check it out. You got the suspenders on these joints. You got the outer rain layer if need be. This is fashion and function. All right, these knee pads are only 7 bucks. This outer protective coating, perfect for working or just doing some knee slides when you're going Bucky Dungan at karaoke. This is a steal. All right, now no look would be complete without some fast shades. Fire and Fuego, the 2 genders. Now if you're trying to like cop some off-white on the low, Home Depot has got all kinds of flavors. They got designs Virgil Abloh doesn't even know about yet. Look at that, family. They got something for everybody. If you're trying to go 2009, they got you on the Scotch. If you're trying to go 2019, they got the camo. But this will really tie our look together. Rope and chain. All right, now we're pulling up to the chain section. Got to get some new drip. Check this out, family. Got my ivory, got my gold. Does your chain hang low? Whew. Damn. My outfit's already peaking from this. Definitely going in the cart. All right, family, let's see if we meet our budget. I'm at the self-checkout right now. I like to do things by myself, you know. I don't need help. I secured the bag. All right, let's take a look at our Home Depot haul, shall we? Now, in addition to these very clean overalls, I got all this other. Now I can get at least 2 fully slammed rigs out of this, and maybe more if you're super resourceful. Now, rule number 1 of the Cheap Thrills fam, protect your nog at all costs. So I copped this very safe protective lid. Plus, it's all white, so it's super customizable. Next, I'm talking one of the most versatile accessories in the game, my chain. Just let your chain hang low. Let it wobble to the flow. Moving right along, if you're not feeling the lid, but you still want to keep it rare, I've got this protective painter's mask. Looking sus, but also lit. And I'm gonna top this look off with these very clean and classic blue blocker safety goggles. Now for fit number 2, I'm rocking these heavy duty coveralls as a high fashion jumpsuit. They even got a hood if you're trying to go stealth. And these coveralls are all white, which again, are very highly customizable. Get some yellow tape, get some stripes going, live your truth, family. Today, I'm gonna be a purist, because I'm feeling very holy. Now I also got this very clean industrial moving belt in orange camo. Look at this. Talk about a fuego alert. I also copped this yellow reflective jacket that came with my rain overalls. One man's detachable hood is another man's all-weather bandana. Damn! I'm feeling like myself again already. So, what do you think, family? Which one of my Home Depot looks goes harder? Are you more of a this guy or this guy? Let me know in the comments. Also, let's talk about the comments for a second. I'm gonna need y'all to open an MF pit in there. I need every Cheap Thrills fan tuning in, smashing that like, smashing that subscribe, going Bucky in the comments, all of you. So how did I do, family? Is this a yeah or a nah? And any construction workers out there in the Cheap Thrills fam, how's my authenticity? You know I'm always trying to keep on max. Thanks for tuning in, Cheap Thrills fam. It's good to be back. I mean, I think this new channel is gonna be even more litty. No rules, no Garys, but also no money, so please subscribe. Well, until next time, stay boosted, stay shining on them, and let's get this money 2019. Gang, gang.
You